Alright miners, here's the deal. We have 3.6 billion square kilometers of Minecraft world to conquer, industrialize, and develop, and I'm sure as hell not doing it all by hand. So we're going to have to automate, build advanced control systems, and push the limits of computer science in Feed the Beast Minecraft. Welcome to Datacraft. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, I'm not actually going to record and pay attention to too much of my first day because I'm sure you've seen it all before. Punch down some trees, locate some coal, bunker in for the night. So I'm probably going to let it go on in the background and just explain more about what this series is going to be about. There doesn't appear to be much here. Just a little piece of grassland. So, are we on an island? And I suppose that brings us into the first point about this series. While I would never use cheats to bring in items or gain an unfair advantage, this is supposed to be a survival version of the game. I'm not above using an external camera to get some cooler shots if I think it's going to make the production quality of this series higher. And I love having an ocean temple right off the start. It appears that we have depleted our only tree here on this island, which is pretty cool. But anyway, I'm going to allow voiceover Frood to talk more about what this series is going to be. Thanks, past me. Keep up the good work. Alright, so the purpose of this series is fourfold. Purpose 1. Survival Minecraft. I have been playing this game for over a decade now, and it still never gets old. Purpose 2. Building intelligent automated systems. We are playing Minecraft 1.16, the Nether update, with a Feed the Beast mod pack. I'll get around to the individual mods later. Obviously, that lends itself to automation right off the bat, but the key word here is intelligent. We're going to build complex systems that can adapt to complex inputs. That means digital control systems, and wherever we can jam them in, more advanced concepts like EKFs and neural networks too, because overkill is underrated. Purpose 3. Teaching some cool engineering and computer science concepts in an approachable way that's easy to understand. Maths and engineering and computer science can be really interesting, and I want to prove it. Purpose 4. Improving my narration, CGI animation, and video editing skills. The focus here will be on quality over quantity and consistency over frequency. It looks like past me hasn't been doing a stellar job of that whole first day thing yet, but at least he appears to have some coal now, so hopefully he can bring it back. There's still some time left before nightfall though, so let's close out our time here by talking about mods. There are many great FTB mods that haven't been updated since 1.12, but 1.16 has seen a resurgence. And I think that there's enough here now to make some truly great mod packs. I talked about software engineering, and for that, we're going to need a computers mod. Computercraft and Open Computers both appear, unfortunately, to be abandonware at this point, but CC Tweaked is a Computercraft fork that's still being awesomely maintained. As far as machines and gadgets go, we have all the RF Tools mods, all of the thermal series, except thermal dynamics, which hasn't been updated yet. That means no item ducts. So to fulfill that niche, we have refined pipes, and mechanism, and flux networks, and XNet. So we should be fine, all things considered. Then we have iron chests, ender storage, applied energistics, and refined storage on the putting things in boxes front. Chicken chunks brings chunk loaders and a few other quality of life mods like just enough items, here's what you're looking at, and quark. Unfortunately, we need to say goodbye to some of the greats. Ender.io, Forestry, Binny's Bees. They made some good memories, and they will be missed. But changing times bring with them exciting new stories, and I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to using the new Create mod. We have some truly exciting adventures still ahead. This isn't quite a full list, and it might not be a static one if we decide to take a new direction in the future. But you can find all the details in the description below. For now, though, let's refocus our attention on past me, who appears, somewhat amazingly, to still be alive. And now an update from me, the poor old sod who apparently has to do all the work around here. The lack of trees on this island proved to be a bit of a problem, and it means that I wasn't able to cook this iron before nightfall, and apparently knock a book off my desk, but that's okay. So instead I sealed myself underground with my sparse resources and dug for some seawater and made a little farm here. We left the trees outside with torches next to them, so with a bit of luck they'll have grown by now, otherwise we could be in a bit of trouble. Creeper. The trees apparently have not grown. These are growth resistant trees. Alright, at least we have horses now. They suddenly appeared, it looked like. And I stuck the sheep in a hole somewhere. There it is. Alright, so not the most successful of first days, but we survived, and we're probably going to have to go on an expedition now to find some more wood, or let this grow. Anyway, we've got a base settled, and that means we can start digging down, digging deep, and getting industrialized. And I can't wait.